Kedorbar Shnong Khlieh-Umstem kalayo kali kit nong pang lani ke ambulance na ke scheme Chief Minister Special Development Fund CMSDF kabala pelat pa do ba Charles Marngar MLA Kamauti ha kenyau trik unailar. Ha kejingelang pelat pa yakni ke ambulance ki Dr. Kiblaidon Lang Kilong, Dr. Anju R. Marak, District Medical and Health Officer DMHO of Riboy, Dr. E. Lang, Doctor in charge of Maulasnai CHC, ba F Teron rang ba Shnong Khlieh-Umstem bat kipat ba. Ha kejingkren lingkot uba Charles ula penpau kejing sngongo yu menteri rang ba bat ula kentui kinong penyak Shnong ban penun kami kini kekali na kebenta kiweiru ki Shnong ba marjan.
So command ban I kani kijing tho the people's chief minister. Chief minister bolong sisau chief minister jogi paipa. Kamnyar bangin yo kumune chief minister. Daladi lawan yu kejat ke Shnong Khlieh-Umstem. Bat ke jingwan yu kejat ke jongu ngiyo I ya ke dinjat jongu madaksi. Bat ngiyo I ke jing trish dom ke jongu chief minister ngalak keren mensuah ni ke program. Hakabau yat ke leng kari khasi jantia barilum garu. Umdon por ban songthan. Kibon ki jingkeren ki jingkentho jupan khainia putrai lagakam. Agani Khubor ngakwa banong sesisin pat. I would like to thank our honorable Chief Minister. Through you, sir, we are here today. We gather here today because of your kindness, because of your goodness. Thank you so much for providing us this ambulance and also another developmental works that you have promised this Khlieh-Umstem village through the Chief Minister schemes. May God continue to bless our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Konrad Samla. Hagani Khubor nga ay Khubor kejing so kemen di betrau keba ni sayo batot yang ribon ini ke ambulans keba lais keba ini dau chief minister dan buram jongi Shri Konrad Samla dia kata pergi kemen di betrau dan ai kublai kerpang nak kebenta chief minister jongi. I would like to say thank you to honorable chief minister for giving us this ambulance, for providing us this ambulance. I would like to say thank you so much, sir. On behalf of the people of this area, I would like to express our gratitude for your goodness and your kindness. May God bless our Chief Minister. Hagani Khubor and otno yung niribon kung kadak jang kajang pelaj pajba ya ketika ambulans. It's okay. Doktor. Dito kani Khubor kum kadak kejing pelaj pai ba ye kani ke ambulans ke balai kerteng ru rapha healthcare service Khlieh-Umstem ngan ot yau ni ribon kani Khubor.
Saya